Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a greeting card that I titled Thankful and Blessed. I'm using the digital version of the collection Hello Autumn by Carta Bella, and I'm also using one of my freebie card sketches that you can find as fully functional silhouette and SVG cut file on my website MistyHilltops.com. I'm further using a label from the Silhouette store and a Scalloped Circle, and then I have a little leaf that I also use just one of my dies with. So I'm starting by gluing down the paper onto the card base, and there's two papers, actually three, a paper strip and then one that's a bigger paper strip, and then the larger piece of paper there. And so that strip goes across both of the other paper strips, so just to give it a little bit of a contrast color. And then on top of that will go the Scalloped Circle there, which on which I already mounted that label that comes from the Silhouette store that I just print out. I use one of my circle dies to cut it out, and then I add this little leaf there. And this is my card done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.